economic forum. So all of us, even if we are entrepreneurs, even if we are mothers, whatever we are, we always think about becoming financially independent. I think everyone agrees to it. So we want to become economically independent. So for that, one of the ways is business. So we can do business in various ways. Either we want to become producers, or even we want to become marketers, or a trader, and many times we are professionals. So let me tell you one thing, if I am a professional, what happens? If a person comes to me, then only I am able to help him. So my growth is vertical. So person coming to me, I am growing, he is growing. But if I want to expand horizontally, how will I grow? This is one thing that comes to our mind. And whenever we are going to start a business, we have done a lot of Reiki about the subject, and then we start the business. We put all our energy, we put all our money, all our resources, but not everyone excel in it. Why? This why has a reason. Many of us get subsidy and we are able to match the market price and become competitors and win over. But there are many who are not being able to do it. And we start scratching our head and thinking that I did so much of homework, but why? Today I am not successful. So let me tell you, there is something which we Indians believe, which is some divine forces that help us to excel to the extent where a man limit starts. We tried a lot, but one day we had a limit and now we want some support. That support we get from the divine forces. What is that divine force? Let me tell you, he is the Vastu Purush, about whom I am going to talk. Vastu is a deity who accelerates our business to any extent we want. Trust me, my friends, my soul sisters, we visit more than 40 countries, having approximately 500 newspaper publications every day, and coming into top leading national TV channels. I teach only one thing, that if we are improving our Vastu energy in our corporates, in our business sectors, at our house, these energies can make our 1,000 rupees can be increased to 10,000, and if we make one small mistake, our 1,000 rupees can become 1 rupee as well. So we need to understand that we need the help of divine forces, for which I head the Eastern India Division of International Vastu Academy, and we operate to give you the results and we show it in your balance sheet. So thank you everyone for coming here, listening to me, and letting everybody get empowered. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.